everyone, this is Joanne. How are you today? I'm coming to you with a Bramble Fox layout. I'm using the most adorable perspectives. I'll put pictures of those up for you to see. And I am using the collection, let me see here what it is called. It was from August 2022 Hip Kits, Chase the Sun. Really pretty colors, and they go so perfectly with the perspectives that we're going to use today. It's all summer themed. So this is very simple. You take a piece of cardstock of your choice. This is Hip Kit cardstock. I have a 5x12, a 2x12, and a branding strip. Super simple. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down. Isn't that pretty? So you can just cut your papers up and put them down together like that. And I'm going to use 3 photos on the layout today. I made a tag from some of the pattern paper, distress the edges with Pink Fresh Studio Passion Fruit. I think that matches quite well with this collection, just to make it stand out a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use up my pocket life cards just to put a little bit something behind there like that. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the side, and then I will go like this. I think that looks good. Yep. And then go ahead and adhere that to my tag. I did put the eyelets in there in the teal color that match with this, using the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile. And I'm just going to put the pocket life card here so there's some color between the photo and the tag, and it's just some pictures by the pool this year. So there, I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to do the same thing with my other 2 photos. Okay, I have the foam on the back of those, so it lifts them all up to the same level, and that's great. And then I'm going to come in with one of my very favorite, very well used Bramble Fox stencils. It's a sun ray. It is amazing. I love it. So what I do is I just figure out where I want it to go, and then I leave it there, and then I move my stuff so I don't get ink everywhere. And then what I will do is get some tape. This is just mint tape from scrapbook.com. And I'm going to go ahead and tape it down so it doesn't move while I am ink blending, because I always end up moving my stencils when I'm blending. I feel klutzy. I'm going to use Lemon Whip. Really nice yellow, because we're outside and it's really nice sun ray color. And I'm not going to go all the way up, I'm just going to go like halfway. Perfect. It came out so good. I got a little bit too rough with this and almost ruined it, but I saved it. So I want a little bit coming out here and a little bit coming out of that photo. Look, isn't that cute? Love it. Okay, I'll put that there. Put this over a little bit, and then let me see. Maybe over a little bit more. I'll put the bottom of this in level with this branding strip, like so, and then we are going to start decorating. I have a bunch of things picked out from the kits, so we'll just take one little area at a time. So I'm going to treat each photo as its own little area and make clusters in each one. So this is from the Paper Snips, and this is number 33. I'm going to put a picture up. So cute for summer. It's a little beach bag, and it's got suntan lotion and glasses and everything sticking out of it, and it's perfect for this photo. And then, oh my gosh, some ephemera, a hat. My best friend gave me that hat that day so I didn't get burnt, because I am Irish and being in the sun, not that great of an idea for me. Oh my goodness, I forgot to show you these up close. How cute. Look, little seashells and a starfish. They come in this great pink and yellow colors, perfect for summer. So I'm going to make a little cluster like that, and then just have like a couple leaves coming out from here, like so. Yeah, let me see, which way do I want this one to be, and just maybe put a green one in there and then this beige one, just to mix the colors up a little bit. So that's so cute, isn't it? And then look at this one. I love the perspectives like this. They're sort of see-through and they're so pretty. It says sun-kissed and the eye has a little heart on the top. So cute. I'm going to put this right along the bottom of my photo. I think that's going to be great. It's going to bring in the yellow from the stencil work and the perspectives all together. And then there's also this title piece that says "This is the life," and it sure is. We have to love summertime, right? A little chair, because I was sitting in a chair by my pool here. I don't usually go to the beach, but it doesn't matter because these perspectives can be for beach or pool. Doesn't matter, whatever you want them to be. Maybe I'll try to get a little pink flower in here. I want to put another little seashell perspective over here and have each area have some die cuts, a pink perspective, a yellow perspective, pink and yellow here, a little cluster, and then they'll all match each other. Okay, then this one up here, I'm loving this. Look at the R&R, Rest and Relaxation title piece. I'm going to put that right above there. So adorable. And then I was thinking, let's put another little pink seashell right here in the corner. Tuck an umbrella in underneath that so it looks like it's coming out of something and it's all clustered together. And then I got some more stuff picked out here. Let me grab it. Put it over here to the side so we can start using it. So then also in the Paper Snips, you always get really, really cool things. You get sentiments. This says "Nothing but blue skies," and such a beautiful day out this day. And then I have another one from the Paper Snips that says "Take it easy," and I sure did that day. Definite R&R. I have 2 tabs from the Paper Snips, one yellow, one blue. I'm going to layer them on top of each other, something like that. I can journal, I can stamp the date, whatever I want to do there. I'm going to put a little flower here, like so. And then just have some leaves coming out. I love this leaf. It looks like a water splash, doesn't it? It's perfect for this. Have that coming out there. Couple little green leaves just to tie all 3 areas together. And then I also have another leaf I'm going to just slide underneath there. And there's this little fabric piece that says "Summer Loading." Thinking about putting that under there if that looks good. Maybe put in another flower there. And then I have my pink perspective here. So I would definitely want to get in a yellow one over here somewhere. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put it. I don't know if I want that white flower. I might just put that right on top of there like that because that looks cute. And then they have this little drink cup and the die cuts, which gotta have that. So maybe slide that in there like that somehow. Maybe I don't need that extra flower. All right, how is that? It's cute. I might come in off camera and make that yellow stencil go up a little bit higher coming out of the R&R. And that's the great thing about stencils. You can just place them back down and then just add some more ink to it. So let me go ahead and get this adhered down and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, everything is all glued down. I did end up putting the other starfish here. Thought that was good, and I did extend the yellow sun rays up further so it would go above the R&R Bramble Fox title, which is super cool. All kinds of paper snips all over the place, so awesome. Okay, so I am going to link all of the Bramble Fox products that I used below, so check out the upcoming Fox box. It's amazing. I think I'm gonna do some splatters. Kind of hoping that I don't ruin this, so I'm just going to do a couple really light ones. I'm going to use some Shimmers Color Splash in Pink Lemonade. I just thought that that would look cute with all the pinks in here, and we already have yellow, so we don't need any more of that. So just little teeny splatters just around the clusters, okay? So I'm going to put my paintbrush, oops, I can't even see me, put my paintbrush right in the jar and then twirl it so I only get small splatters. Very gently tapping my paintbrush so they come out teeny tiny. And I should probably bring this with me because I do not want pink splatters on my perspective. I don't think that that would look good. So I need to get a little bit more on here for some more little teeny ones. And again, like I said, I'm only doing it in the clusters. I don't want it all over the place. And I don't want it on my words or my perspective. So I'll cover that up, put some over here. Just a couple little ones. And then I'm going to turn, just easier for me, put my hand over my perspective. If you do get splatters on there and you don't want them, you can just easily wipe them right off. Okay, so there we go. We are done with those. All right, put my top back on here so I don't make a mess. Put my paintbrush away. Let's turn this around and take a look. So, super fun way to get 3 photos on a layout by using some tags. I'm going to leave them open. I don't think that they need anything. You could put some twine in there if you wanted to. That would also look really cute. I came in with some really yellow, bright yellow, sunshiny pink fresh gems to serve as my enamel dots. I did that off camera because that does take me a little while. And there you go, my friends. Look at these awesome summer perspectives, okay? So check them out in the shop today. I'll link everything below. Thank you for stopping by to see me. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.